Alright, here we go. Looks like we're going to get a warning. Southeastern Denton.
Northeastern Talent County in north central Texas. Northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coppell and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Well, this is fun.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Irving, Louisville, and Coppell around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Louisville Lake and Grapevine Lake.
Yeah, it's not moving at all.
35 feet between mile
Man.
439 and 453. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from
Let's
windows.
see. Yeah. So, this was random. I did not expect this at all. Let's see. See if anything else is on IMBot. Fort. Oh, Dallas. Here we go. Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. There's another one in Hopkins County, but I'm pretty far from there, so I'm not going to get that. Let's see. Strong storms around. Airport weather warning. Yeah, I hadn't been paying attention at all. I'm looking at rebuilding a website, so I wasn't expecting this. I'll be paying attention now.